What is the phobia of thunder and rain? A. Agoraphobia. B. Ombraphobia. C. Acrophobia. D. Claustrophobia. Answer B. Ombraphobia. What does carpe diem mean in Latin? A. Enjoy the moment. Have no fear. C. Sorry, I blew it. D. Hello. Answer. Enjoy the moment. Which one of the following countries is not in Africa? A. Morocco. B. Yemen. C. Sudan. D. Algeria. Answer B. Yemen. What is considered the lung of the earth? A. Amazon rainforest. B. The Mississippi River. C. The Sahara. D. Everest. Answer A. Amazon rainforest. Where does the sushi come from? A. Japan. B. China. C. America. D. South Korea. Answer A. Japan. In which century the Mona Lisa was painted? A. 18th century. B. 15th century. C. 16th century. D. 14th century. Answer C. 16th century. Who wrote the Great Gatsby novel? A. Leo Tolstoy. B. Hemingway. C. Stephen King. D. Scott Fitzgerald. Answer D. Scott Fitzgerald. Which is the richest country in the world? A. Qatar. B. Russia. C. The USA. D. The UAE. Answer A. Qatar. In which country did the Chernobyl nuclear disaster take place? A. Russia. B. Ukraine. C. Belarus. D. Lithuania. Answer B. Ukraine. What ocean lies between North America and Eurasia? A. Quiet. B. Atlantic. C. Indian. D. Arctic. Answer B. Atlantic. In what year was the Magna Carta signed? A. 1066. B. 1215. C. 1492. D. 1689. Answer B. 1215. What chemical element is used to cool and freeze food? A. Sodium. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. Answer D. Nitrogen. Which country is famous for its pyramids and the Sphinx? A. India. B. China. C. Mexico. D. Egypt. Answer D. Egypt. What is the name of the science that studies the past of life on Earth? A. Paleontology. B. Astronomy. C. Anthropology. D. Geology. Answer: Paleontology. In what year was the League of Nations founded? A. 1919. B. 1923. C. 1939. D. 1945. Answer: A. 1919. Which planet in the solar system has the most diverse climate and atmosphere? A. Mercury. B. Earth. C. Mars. D. Venus. Answer: B. Earth. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? A. 1961. B. 1989. C. 1991. D. 2000. Answer: B. 1989.